A summer storm just put water in your basement. Here is exactly what to do in the first hour to protect your home and your insurance claim.
First, safety. If water is anywhere near outlets or your electrical panel, do not step in. Shut the power to that area at the breaker, or call us and wait.
Before you touch anything, photograph and video the water and the damage. Your insurer will want to see it before any cleanup begins. Do not wade through the water, and do not use a household vacuum on it. That is a shock risk, and it spreads contamination. Leave the extraction to professionals. Speed matters. Mold can start within 24 to 48 hours. Fast extraction and professional drying are what save your floors, your drywall, and your air quality. Green Restoration answers 24/7 across Connecticut, New York, and Western Massachusetts. Call us, and we will get a local crew on the way.